G'day everyone, it's handover day for this beautiful Formula 233 and we've got a cracking day to do a quick walkthrough for you guys and show you what Matt's put in this boat. Up here in the helm, Matt's put a pair of the new Simrad NSS 4 screens. These are back mounted screens, they've got no screws, they're a glass front screen, they look really nice in the dash. We've got a 175 high wide transducer and a 175 low transducer through the hull. We've also got a downscan transducer which we're running here at the moment. Matt's got his mercury gauge over here to get all his engine data. We've got a rock phone holder, Simrad autopilot, and all our rocker switches down here. Nice and simple to use and a nice clean dash layout. Up the front end of the boat here, Matt's gone for two different seat configurations. On the port side, we've got our deluxe seat on the esky frame with a powered up fridge. We've got an Anderson plug up here and we've got a 110 litre fridge freezer. Great way to keep the drinks and bait cold for the day. While on this side, maximise the space by using a gas pedestal. Nice and comfy to sit down. You've got the bolster, so you've got a good driving position standing or sitting, and it keeps the cockpit nice and open here. Really good setup for seats. Both of them on a swivel side as always, so you can spin them around, move them back and forward and get the driver position comfortable for whoever's sitting or standing. We've got a windscreen version on this model, which is really nice to look through. Matt's actually put a tint on it, so it helps on those sunny days. We've got our standard Bimini and Clear setup up top, and Matt's found a really cool setup for a shade down the back. He found it in America. There's some carbon poles that drop into the back rod holders, and we've got our trimmer to make a nice shade to drop on, just for when you're sitting around down the barrier at Lake's entrance or drifting around snapper fishing on a hot day. It gives you a bit of extra shade. Really neat way to do it. We've got an absolutely pumping stereo in this boat. Nice fusion system. We've got the head unit up here on the side of the driver console, so the passenger can be the DJ if they want. Anyone can use it up here. We've got a pair of 7.7 inch Apollo speakers up front and 6.5 inches down the back and an amp up front. Really crisp sound and absolutely pumps. Down the back end, we've got a pair of Mercury 225 V6s. They're in white and they look incredible on this hull. They're such a grunty motor. We're getting fantastic fuel economy, top speed about 85k an hour. Congratulations, Matt. You built an absolutely stunning looking Formula 233. This boat is going to be at home, sitting there at the barrier, having a party, or catching marlin up the east coast. Can't wait to see the fun you and the family have in it. Thanks, mate.